Hello and welcome to my channel guys. Today I am going to show you how you can edit this photo, to this in Lightroom Mobile, but before that if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet then click on the subscribe button below and press the bell notification icon to get the latest updates whenever I post a new video. Now let's start the video after this intro. Import the photo in Lightroom. Increase the exposure to positive 0.68. Change the contrast to positive 30. Decrease the highlights to negative 58. Increase the shadows to positive 36. Increase the whites to positive 37. Decrease the blacks to negative 37. In the temperature section, increase the vibrance to positive 51. Increase the saturation to positive 26. In the color section, for aqua, increase the hues to positive 52 and the saturation to positive 47. For blue, increase the hues to positive 27 and the saturation to positive 26. Keep the rest as it is. In the color grading section, select the shadows, midtones, highlights, and global tones as shown in the video. Make sure to increase the blending value and luminance of all three of those as shown in the video. In the next section, decrease the texture to negative 23. Increase the details to positive 33. Add a vignette of negative 10 and increase the highlights to positive 60. Now export the photo to your device. That was all for today. If you enjoyed the video then click on the like button and press the subscribe button below to get notified whenever I post a new video. Until next time, peace out.
Serving